हमारे बीच में पधार रहे हैं। आप सबसे अनुरोध करती हूँ कि कृपया अपने स्थान पर खड़े होकर तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ हमारे मुख्य अतिथि महोदय का स्वागत करें। प्लीज वेलकम श्री एच.डी. कुमारस्वामी, ऑनरीज एंड स्टील, with a round of applause, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest has joined us. Huge round of applause, please.
Union Minister of Heavy Industries and Steel, Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy, joining us for BHEL Day and Excel Award ceremony. और ध्वजारोहण की तरफ चलते हैं। कुछ ही देर में हमारे मुख्य अतिथि महोदय यहाँ ध्वजारोहण करेंगे। यह ध्वज जो कि न केवल सम्मान का प्रतीक है बल्कि हमारी संस्था के उन उच्च आदर्शों को भी दर्शाता है जिनका हम अनुपालन करते हैं। समारोह की शुरुआत ध्वज के सम्मान एवं इस विशेष अवसर को यादगार बनाते हुए
After the flag hoisting, all of you are requested to please keep standing.
और बहुत ही सुंदर शुरुआत इस समारोह की ध्वजारोहण के साथ
जोश ऐसा जोश के लोहा पिघल जाए, होश ऐसा होश के लोहा नए सांचों में ढल जाए। माथे पे जगमग जो मेहनत का पसीना है, हर असंभव हमको संभव करके जीना है, ऐसे जीना है। जोश ऐसा जोश के लोहा पिघल जाए, होश ऐसा होश के लोहा नए सांचों में ढल जाए। उन्नति की राह के हम लोग हैं राही, सबको सुख हो हमने दुनिया ऐसी है चाही। है जतन अपना कि हर जीवन सरल कर दे, आज से बेहतर हम आने वाला कल कर दे। जग संवारे जग निखारे, स्वर्ग धरती पर उतारे, अपनी मेहनत से ये दुनिया ही बदल जाए। जोश ऐसा जोश के लोहा पिघल जाए, होश ऐसा होश के लोहा नए सांचों में ढल जाए। मन में साहस और इन हाथों में है शक्ति, चेष्टा है वो जो एक पल भी नहीं थकती। हम है वो जो मंजिलों से आगे जाते हैं, हम है वो जो सपने सच करके दिखाते हैं। जग संवारे जग निखारे, स्वर्ग धरती पर उतारे, हम जिधर देखें उधर एक ज्योत जल जाए। जोश ऐसा जोश के लोहा पिघल जाए, होश ऐसा होश के लोहा नए सांचों में ढल जाए। जोश है जोश है जोश है जोश है जोश है जोश है जोश है।
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, the BHEL song has filled each one of us present here with immense energy and excitement. Applause, please. और हाँ, जिस पल का हम सभी को इंतजार था, जिस पल के लिए हम सभी नजरें जमाए बैठे थे, वह पल, वह क्षण अब आ चुका है। हमारे मुख्य अतिथि महोदय एवं गणमान्य अतिथिगण मंच की ओर पधार रहे हैं। मैं आप सभी से निवेदन करती हूं कि जोरदार करतल ध्वनि के साथ हमारे गणमान्य अतिथियों का स्वागत करें।
Ladies and gentlemen, the chief guest of the occasion, Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy ji, Minister of Heavy Industries and Steel. A big round of applause for our chief guest, please. We welcome you, sir. Please keep the applause coming.
We welcome you, sir.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आप सबसे अनुरोध करती हूँ कि कृपया अपना स्थान ग्रहण कर लें। खूबसूरत से एक पल का किस्सा बन जाता है, खूबसूरत से एक पल का किस्सा बन जाता है, जाने कौन कब जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है। कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं ज़िंदगी में, कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं ज़िंदगी में, जिनसे कभी ना टूटने वाला रिश्ता बन जाता है। आदर, अभिनंदन, आभार, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। Hello and a very warm welcome to this wonderful, beautiful and auspicious day that brings together so many special people like you. Good afternoon, I'm Vaishali Vadhva Chaudhary from Corporate Communication.
Good afternoon, Namaskar. I'm Suman Nakwal from Power Sector PEM, and today we welcome you all to the BHEL Day and Excel Award celebration here at the wonderful BHEL Southern at Noida. And on this very special and important day, we have the pleasure of being your host this afternoon.
Friends, we begin the program by again welcoming you all to this grand and gala event. Today is a very special day for all of us. It is a symbol of pride, unity, and dedication of our employees. Today, we will recognize our talented and dedicated employees on this stage.
Yes, rightly said, this day is dedicated to BHEL's tremendous achievements that we have achieved over the years. This day is dedicated to the most important pillars, our employees. Yes, a huge round of applause for our employees. Let us begin this program with fervor and zeal and enthusiasm.
The stage is illuminated like 100 flowers blossomed. Sir, upon your arrival, everyone smiled here. We welcome you to make this occasion a memory, a moment, and many remembrances. A very, very warm welcome, sir. Your presence adds a touch of elegance to our event.
यह दिन हमें याद दिलाता है कि BHEL केवल एक संगठन मात्र नहीं है, बल्कि एक परिवार है। आज हमारा सौभाग्य है कि हमारे संरक्षक माननीय भारी उद्योग मंत्री जी ने इस अवसर पर पधारने की कृपा की है। Very warm welcome, sir.
So let us begin with the formal welcome of our chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a very beautiful tradition in our country in which we say Atithi Devo Bhava. Welcoming and providing hospitality to guests is considered supreme in our country. In this sequence, I would like to request Shri K. Sadashiv Murthy ji, our Chairman and Managing Director, to please welcome and greet our chief guest, Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy ji, by presenting him with a shawl, memento, and a Shripal Kalash. The Shripal Kalash, which is a symbol of respect and good beginnings. Our respected CMD, sir, extending his heartfelt welcome on behalf of the entire BHEL. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much. Now I request our respected CMD, sir, to kindly welcome Shri Kamran Rizvi ji, Secretary, Ministry of Heavy Industries.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request Shri Krishna Kumar Thakur ji, our Director HR, to please welcome Shri Vijay Mittal ji, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Heavy Industries.
थैंक यू सर। स्वीकार आमंत्रण किया, रखा हमारा मान। स्वीकार आमंत्रण किया, रखा हमारा मान। कैसे करें कृतज्ञता, स्वागत है श्रीमान, स्वागत है श्रीमान। We express our sincere gratitude to our chief guest and other dignitaries for coming here. Once again, a sweet greeting from everyone with applause. Thank you. Moving on, lighting of the lamp is considered as a mark of auspicious beginnings. Light is the most miraculous invention of the human being. The lamp lighting is done to invoke the blessings of Almighty before the start of any event.
जी हाँ सुमन, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने। हमारे देश की परंपरा है किसी भी शुभ कार्य का आरंभ दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ एवं ईश्वर के नाम के आवाहन के साथ किया जाता है। आज के इस सुंदर अवसर पर हम दीप जलाकर अज्ञानता के अंधकार को मिटाएंगे। ईश्वर से यह कामना कि इस कार्यक्रम को अपना आशीर्वाद दें। चलते हैं अज्ञान से ज्ञान की ओर, अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर, प्राणी से परमात्मा की ओर, पदार्थ से सूक्ष्म की ओर। और दीप प्रज्वलन के पश्चात सुमन,
आप सभी का पुनः अभिनंदन करते हुए अब मैं विनम्र अनुरोध करती हूँ हमारे आदरणीय अध्यक्ष एवं प्रबंध निदेशक महोदय जी से स्वागत संबोधन के लिए।
Good afternoon all. Honorable Minister of Heavy Industries and Steel, Shri S.D. Kumar Swami ji, Secretary Ministry of Heavy Industries, Shri Kamran Rizvi ji, Joint Secretary Ministry of Heavy Industries, Shri Vijay Mittal ji, Ministry officials, directors on the board, former CMDs, directors of BHEL, jury members for BHEL Excel Awards, BHEL Excel Awards winners and their family members, distinguished guests, colleagues and friends. Again, a very good afternoon to all of you and a warm welcome to you all on the special occasion of BHEL Day and BHEL Excel Awards ceremony. As we begin the year 2025, it gives me immense pleasure to host this gathering that celebrates excellence and innovation at BHEL. It is my privilege to welcome our chief guest, Honorable Minister of Heavy Industries and Steel, Shri S.D. Kumar Swami ji. Sir, despite your extremely busy schedule, you have graciously accepted our invitation, and your presence on this occasion has boosted our morale and enthusiasm. We are thankful for your encouragement, sir, and help in turning challenges into opportunities for BHEL's growth. On behalf of entire BHEL family, I extend my warmest welcome to you, sir. I extend a special welcome to Shri Kamran Rizvi ji, Secretary Ministry of Heavy Industries, whose guidance has been always available to us in BHEL's journey. Your presence today, sir, has added to the significance of this occasion. A warm welcome to Shri Vijay Mittal ji, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Heavy Industries, whose support has kept us moving ahead. I also welcome the former CMDs, directors, and other senior members of BHEL, the jury members of the Excel Awards, the awardees, and their families. Your contribution have always shaped BHEL, and we are honored to have with you at this place. Today, we gather to recognize the efforts and dedication of our employees through BHEL Excel Awards. This is a day to reflect on the excellence, innovation, and drive that fuel BHEL's growth. The achievements of the awardees set a shining example for us all, reminding us the strength of that BHEL within teamwork and determination. A very good order book on hand and a favorable conditions in all the major segments we operate, the road ahead of BHEL is in full of potential. With the talent and commitment in BHEL, I'm confident that we will deliver our commitments to our customers and stakeholders. Let us take this opportunity to renew our focus on growth and profitability. With the support of Honorable Ministers and Ministry of Heavy Industries, I believe BHEL will rise to new heights. Once again, congratulations to all the award winners, and my heartfelt thanks to the Honorable Minister for gracing us with his presence. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Like a shining star and the rising sun, BHEL is spreading its shine throughout. और इस प्रेरक और जोश भरे वक्तव्य के लिए हम अध्यक्ष एवं प्रबंध निदेशक महोदय का आभार व्यक्त करते हैं। BHEL से जुड़ी उपलब्धियों को आपने हमें अवगत कराया सर, इसके लिए आपका धन्यवाद। बाधाएं आती हैं आएं, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पाँवों के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसें यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा।
जी हाँ, और हमारे उत्कृष्टता पुरस्कार इस कविता को बहुत सुंदर तरीके से सार्थक करते हैं, क्योंकि ये पुरस्कार भी साथ चलने और साथ बढ़ने का प्रतीक हैं। ये पुरस्कार हम अलग अलग श्रेणी में हमारे यूनिट लेवल पर बनाई गई टीम्स को देते हैं, जो टीम वर्क की भावना को भी बढ़ावा देते हैं।
Yes, absolutely right, Suman. And before we proceed towards the award distribution ceremony, I would just like to give a brief introduction to the BHEL Excel Award Scheme. In BHEL, the Excel Award Scheme started in the year 2001 with an aim to reward excellence at corporate level to recognize the talent and motivating the employees. These Excel Awards are aimed to recognize not only direct or indirect outstanding contribution made by our employees towards growth and profitability of the company, but also the outstanding contribution towards the society.
Yes, there are well-defined objective criteria for these awards to focus on essential attributes across all facets of operations, besides specific contribution to society and environment. So, these awards are scrutinized in a three-tier setup, wherein the first screening is done at our respective units, followed by screening at the corporate level committee. Finally, an independent jury comprising of members from recognized background judges the awards.
तो आइए अब हम उन अद्वितीय लोगों का अभिनंदन करेंगे जिन्होंने अपने कार्य से BHEL का नाम ऊंचा किया है। So let us begin with the Excel Award ceremony.
आइए शुरुआत करते हैं पुरस्कार वितरण समारोह का।
सपनों को जो सच कर दिखाते हैं, सफलता के नए आयाम बनाते हैं। BHEL के ये सितारे हैं, हर मुश्किल को आसान बनाते हैं। I would like to start the announcement of year-wise awards to be presented to the leaders of the awards, to the leader of the winning teams. For the year 2019-20, the first category of award is Utkrishtata Puraskar, which is conferred on a 5-member team led by Shri Mukesh Kumar from EDN Bengaluru for the work titled Certification and Implementation of SIL 3 Compliant Boiler Protection Control System as per IEC 61508. The other team members are Shri Santosh Kumar, Shri Gopal Kumar, Shri S.K. Harinath, and Shri Satyabrato Banik. Congratulations to the winners and a huge round of applause for our winners. The next category of award is Utkrisht Takniki Prakashan Puraskar, which is conferred on a 2-member team led by Dr. V.A.S. Murlidhar Bathula from Corporate R&D Hyderabad for the technical paper titled Development of Technology for Second Generation High Temperature Superconducting Field Coils of Propulsion Motors for Strategic Applications. The other member of the team from Corporate R&D Hyderabad is Shri Divya Kumar Sharma. Many, many congratulations and a big round of applause for the winner. Thank you. The next category of award is Anusandhan Puraskar, which is conferred on a 5-member team led by Shri N. Sai Ram from HPBP Tiruchirappalli for the work titled Design and Development of In-Furnace Combustion Modification of Firing System as part of DNOX Retrofit Package. The other team members are Shri G. Sarvana Kumar, Shri MCHS Gangadhar, Shri Bimal Chaudhary, all from HPBP Trichy, and Shri Dheeraj Kumar from BAP Ranipet. The next category of award is Grahak Santushti Puraskar, which is conferred on an 8-member team led by Shri Arun Pratap Maurya from HEP Bhopal for the work titled Design, Development and Testing of 500 kilowatt MMG and Associated LCP Defense Project for the Indian Navy. Team members Shri Raghuveer Singh Patharia, Shri Ravi Verma, Shri Bhupendra N. Jaina, Shri Basant Tambrakar, Shri Sunny Sodani, Shri Jitendra Kumar, all from Bhopal, Shri Raj Kumar from Corporate Office, New Delhi. बहुत शुभकामनाएं एवं जोरदार तालियां. The next category of award is Utpadakta Puraskar, which is conferred on a 4-member team led by Shri K. Murugesan from PPPU Tirumayam for the work titled Modification of Electrode Holder to Avoid Electrode Wastage. The other members of the team from PPPU Tirumayam are Shri S. Karthik, Shri K. S. Balachandar, Shri A. John Vincent. Heartiest congratulations and a big round of applause for our winners, please. The next category of award is Pratibadhata Puraskar, which is conferred on a team led by Shri Abhishek from PSPEM Noida for the work titled Manifestation of Engineering Excellence in OBRA Project, Fire Damage Assessment to Revival of Units. The other team members from PM Noida are Ms. Khushbu Agrawal, Shri Rahul Kumar Srivastav, Shri Saurabh Tiwari, and Shri Amit Pal Singh. The last category of award for the year 2019-20 is Paryavaran Puraskar, which is conferred on a 5-member team led by Shri Sapan Suhane from HEP Bhopal for the work titled Exhaustive Plantation and Dam Construction for Rainwater Harvesting in Township. The other team members are Mohammad Ibrahim, Shri Anil Kumar Thakre, Shri Manoj Kumar Rai, all from HEP Bhopal, and Shri Deepak Gangle from PSNR Noida. A huge round of applause for our winners for the year 2019-20. Congratulations to you all. I now hand over to my co-anchor Ms. Suman to take you forward through the next year.
थैंक यू वैशाली. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों में उड़ान होती है, हौसलों में उड़ान होती है. थैंक यू सर. Moving to the next year, 2020 and 21, where 7 teams comprising of 39 employees have been declared as winners for receiving BHEL Excel Awards under various categories. The first category of award is Utkrishtata Puraskar, which is conferred on a 5-member team led by Shri D. Mohammad Tausif from EDN Bangalore for the work titled Design and Implementation of Control System for Air-Cooled Condenser for Supercritical Thermal Power Plants. The other team members are Shri Sandeep M. Patel, Ms. Shilpi, both from EDN Bangalore, Shri Mohit Agarwal from HEP Bhopal, and Shri Mudit Jain from HEP Haridwar. Congratulations and big round of applause for the winners. Moving to the next category of award is Utkrisht Takniki Prakashan Puraskar, which is conferred on a 3-member team led by Shri Naveen Kumar from HEP Haridwar for the technical paper titled Thermodynamics Simulation Study of Twin Groove Elliptical Journal Bearing of Steam Turbine with Experimental Investigations. The other team members are Shri Akash Shukla and Shri Sanjay Bansal. The next category of award is Anusandhan Puraskar, which is conferred on a 6-member team led by Ms. Shyamala Venkataraman from Corporate R&D for the work titled Innovation and Demonstration of Digital Substation with in-house developed IEC 61850 compliant intelligent electronic devices and optical current transformers. The other team members are Shri Saurabh Chandrakar, Shri Atanu Biswas, Shri Ravi Kiran Reddy, Shri Mrityunjay Kumar, all from Corporate R&D Hyderabad, and Shri Mukesh Kumar from TBG Noida. Heartiest congratulations. The next category of award is Grahak Santushti Puraskar, which is conferred on an 8-member team led by Shri D. Arani Nagasudhakar from CFFP Haridwar for the work titled Technology Demonstration of Turret Casting for T-72 tanks by CFFP to Messrs Heavy Vehicle Factory Avadi, a unit of Ministry of Defence. The other team members are Shri Jai Prakash Singh, Shri Sushant Pandey, Shri Ranjit Lakra, Shri Naresh Kumar Gaurav, Shri Laveen Agarwal, Shri Stephen Isaac Frederick, all from CFFP Haridwar, and Shri Tushar Dave from HEP Haridwar. The next category of award is Utpadakta Puraskar, which is conferred on a 5-member team led by Shri R. Santhanam from PPPU Tirumayam for the work titled Modification of Thermocouple Arrangement in 40 metric ton furnace for productivity improvement and energy conservation. The other team members, all from the same unit, are Shri K. Pandiyan, Shri M. Shakti Kumar, Shri P. Prabhu, and Shri E. Ilangovan. Congratulations. The next category of award is Pratibadhata Puraskar, which is conferred on a 7-member team led by Shri Vinay Sharma from PSPM Noida for the work titled First Time Rectification of Fully erected mill bunker structure column at 35-meter elevations, extreme end of structure without affecting the COD milestone for 3 into 660 megawatt Nabinagar STPP Unit 2 SG package. The other team members are Shri Anand Narayan, Shri Manoj Birua, Shri Samek Malik, both from PSER Kolkata, Shri M. Jayaram, Shri B. Shanamugarajan, and Shri S. Kiraha Prakash from HPBP Tiruchirappalli. Many congratulations. The last category of award for the year 2020 and 21 is Samaj Seva Puraskar, which is conferred on a 5-member team led by Shri Santosh Kumar Sahu from HEEP Haridwar for the work titled Contribution to the Society through Social Service for Creating a Better Tomorrow in line with the BHEL's mission. The other members, all from HEEP Haridwar, are Shri Sandeep Kumar, Shri Amit Kumar Ram, Shri Vineet Kumar, and Shri Vinod Kumar. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, अभिनंदन और मीठी सी तालियां सभी विजेताओं के लिए.
Now we do the announcements for the year 2021-22, where 8 teams comprising of 44 employees have been declared as winners for receiving the BHEL Excel Awards under various categories. The first category of award is Utkrishtata Puraskar, where I invite Shri Ram Nivas Sangwa from HPEP Hyderabad for his work titled Anti-Surge Control for Variable Speed Multi-Stage Centrifugal Compressor with Inbuilt Surge Detection and Interstage Decoupling and Compressor Capacity Control. Heartiest congratulations to our winner and a big round of applause. The next category of award is Anusandhan Puraskar, which is conferred on an 8-member team led by Shri R. N. Ramanathan, SSTP, Tiruchirappalli for the work title Establishment, Development of Cold Drawing of T91 Grade Tubes. The other team members are Shri PCS Natarajan, Shri M. Kannan, Shri P. Dinesh, Shri B. Manimaran, all from SSTP Tiruchirappalli, Shri Uday Kumar from PSNR Noida, Shri S. Manoji Kumar from HPBP Tiruchirappalli, and Shri M.H. Ganesh from SBD Bengaluru. The next category of award is Grahak Santushti Puraskar, which is conferred on an 8-member team led by Shri Arun Pratap Maurya from HEP Bhopal for the work titled Design, Development, Manufacturing, Testing and Supply of 50 kilowatt DC-AC PMRFC 1 set and 50 kilowatt AC-AC PMRFC 2 sets along with associated local control panels for the strategic application for Indian Navy. I'll read out the names of the team members: Shri Akshay Kumar, Shri Bhaskar, Shri Ankur Sharma, Shri Mohammad Ghayasuddin, Shri Kamma Vivi Nagesh Kumar, Shri Santosh Kumar Gundrapalli, and Srimati G. Shobha Rani. The next category of award is Utpadakta Puraskar, which is conferred on a 4-member team led by Shri O. Sashi Kumar from BAP Ranipet for the work titled Indigenization of Spray Nozzles for FGD application. The other team members, all from the same unit, are Shri K. Ranjit, Shri Jyotish Kumar Patel, both from BAP Ranipet, and Shri Mandadi Venkateshwarlu from HPBP Tiruchirappalli. The next category of award, Pratibadhata Puraskar, which is conferred on an 8-member team led by Shri C. Murugayan from PSSR Chennai for the work titled Commissioning of Water Land System involving risk of high temperature without direct OEM support at 2 into 500 megawatt NNTPP Neyveli project. Other team members, Shri P. Tyagarajan, Shri K. Mahesh, Shri M. Ram Kumar, Shri B. Ram Kumar, Shri G. Sarvanan, Shri R. Madhavan, all from PSSR Chennai, and Shri R. Dhananjayan from HPBP Tiruchirappalli. The next category of award is also a Pratibadhata Puraskar, which is conferred on a 5-member team led by Shri Shishupal from HEP Bhopal for the work titled Design, Development and Supply of 490 kilowatt alternator for defense application within a short span of 13 months. Other team members, Shri Arun Kumar Singh, Shri Jitendra Kumar, Shri Gaurav Kumar Katiyar, and Dr. Manoj Kumar. The next category of award is also a Pratibadhita Puraskar, which is conferred on a 2-member team led by Ms. Rakhi L. Mohan from EDN Bengaluru for the work title Commissioning of Valmat DNA DCS Controls for Process Industry at FACT Kochi during the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. The other team member, Shri Bibin Mohanan. A big round of applause for the winners. The last category of award for the year 2021-22 is Samaj Seva Puraskar, which is conferred on an 8-member team led by Shri Vijay Kumar Verma from CFFP Haridwar for the work titled Serving the Society by Saving Lives Against COVID-19 through establishment of refilling station and delivering medical oxygen to hospitals. The other team members are Shri Vivek Kumar Raizada, Shri Surendra Kumar, Shri Obikdesh Orkar, Shri Neeraj Kumar Gautam, Shri Abhinav Ashish, Shri Amitabh Sharma and Shri Pankaj Kumar Srivastav from HEEP Haridwar. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और जोरदार तालियां विजेताओं के लिए.
So we now move to the next year 2020 and 2022 and 23, where 6 teams comprising of 30 employees have been declared as winners for receiving BHEL Excel Awards under various categories. The first category of award for 22-23 is Utkrishtata Puraskar, which is conferred on a 6-member team led by Shri Amit Kumar from HERP Varanasi for the work titled Enhancing Order Bookings through strategic reverse engineering by 3D scanning and modeling of non-BHEL Russian mill components at NTPC Bard. Other members of the team, Shri Aditya Kumar Pandey, Shri Sunil Kumar Tiwari, Shri Abhishek Shah, Shri Chandraketu Prajapati from HERP Varanasi, and Shri Amit Kumar from Corporate R&D Hyderabad. The next category of award is Anusandhan Puraskar, which is conferred on a 5-member team led by Shri Dhyan Jyoti Saikia from Eden Bangalore for the work titled Design and Development of Predictive Advanced Process Control for Transformation of Thermal Power Plants to adopt new flexi operating regime directed by CEA. Other team members are Shri Lalit Kumar Subudhi, Shri Sharat Kumar Singh, Shri Nirmal Pandey, Shri Abhishek Ranjan, all from Eden Bangalore. Huge round of applause, please. Thank you. The next category of award is Grahak Santushti Puraskar, which is conferred on a 2-member team led by Shri Sagar Mondal from PACR Kolkata for the work titled GRP Stacks installed at Maitri Project, Bangladesh. The other team members are Shri Abdullah Ahmed Lashkar from PSHQ Noida. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं विजेताओं को. The next category of award is Utpadakta Puraskar, which is conferred on a 5-member team led by Shri Vijay Kumar from HPEP Hyderabad for the work titled Dovetail Machining of FR9E compressors wheels stage 5 to stage 9. Other team members Shri V Ramesh, Shri CH Venkat Reddy, Shri Krishna B, Shri M Srinivasu, all are from HPEP Hyderabad. Many congratulations, sir. The next category of award is Pratibadhata Puraskar, which is conferred on a 7-member team led by Shri Mane Prakash from PACR Kolkata for the work titled Out-of-Box Method to Complete Complex Execution of CHP Packages, Trestles TP25 and 26 below running conveyors without any stoppage of running coal conveyors for any single day. The other team members are Shri Sandeep Sarkar, Shri Paritosh Kumar, Shri Abni Sinha, Shri Chandradhar Marandi, all are from PSR Kolkata, Shri Saikar Gautam and Shri P. Venkata Prasad from ISG Bangalore. Many congratulations and big round of applause. Moving to the last category of award is Samaj Seva Puraskar, which is conferred on a 5-member team led by Shri Amit Kumar from HEEP Haridwar for the social service work titled Support to Orphan Kids, Physically Disabled Persons and Environmental Conservation Work in line with BHEL vision, mission and values. The other team members are Shri Santosh Kumar Sahu, Shri Vinod Kumar, Shri Neeraj Kumar Singh, Shri Pradeep Kumar Bansal, all from HEEP Haridwar. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सभी विजेताओं को. जोरदार तालियां. Thank you.
We now come to the concluding year, that is the 2023-24, and 3 teams comprising of 14 employees have been declared as winner for receiving the BHEL Excel Awards under various categories. I'll start the names now. The first category of award for 2023-24 is Anusandhan Puraskar, which is conferred on a 4-member team led by Shri A. Venkana from Corporate R&D Hyderabad for the work titled Indigenous Design, Development and Field Trials of Liquid Cooled Axial Flux PM Motor and Controller. The other team members are Shri Santosh Kumar Gundrapalli, Shri B. Suresh, Shri S. Ishwara Rao, all from Corporate R&D Hyderabad. The next category of award is Grahak Santushti Puraskar, which is conferred on a 6-member team led by Shri Ajay Kumar Gupta from HEEP Haridwar for the work titled Achieving the Best Customer Satisfaction by successful first-time in-situ repairing the 250 megawatt Barani number 9 starter without affecting the overhauling schedule. The other team members, Shri Hirendra Kumar, Shri Anup Kumar Goyal and Shri Sukhbir Singh, all from HEEP Haridwar, Shri Shakil Ahmed from PSER Kolkata and Shri Jafar Ali from PSTS Noida. The last category of award for the year 2023-24 is Utpadakta Puraskar, which is conferred on a 4-member team led by Shri R. Anup Kumar from EDN Bengaluru for the work titled Mark 5 Control System Software Development for Static Frequency Converter Cross over Functionality Feature for 6FA Gas Turbine Startup. The other team members being Ms. Sushila Khes, Shri Subramaniam N and Shri A.G. Murlidhar, all from EDN Bengaluru. Heartiest congratulations to the winners and a big round of applause. You all embody the passion, the diligence and the pursuit of excellence that is the bedrock of our organizational culture. And we come to a close of the Excel Award ceremony. I would just like to dedicate a small 4-line poem to our Excel Award winners. कि तोड़ना है हर पिंजरा उड़ान अभी बाकी है, तोड़ना है हर पिंजरा उड़ान अभी बाकी है, 2 गज जमीन ही नहीं आसमान अभी बाकी है. और अब मैं माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय से अनुरोध करूंगी कि BHEL की अर्धवार्षिक हिंदी पत्रिका अरुणिमा के 36वें अंक का विमोचन करने की कृपा करें. इस पत्रिका में संपूर्ण BHEL के कर्मचारियों की रचनाएं प्रकाशित की जाती हैं और उत्कृष्ट रचनाओं के रचनाकारों को पुरस्कृत भी किया जाता है. हमारा सौभाग्य है कि अरुणिमा के 36वें अंक का विमोचन आज माननीय भारी उद्योग एवं इस्पात मंत्री जी द्वारा किया जा रहा है. Ladies and gentlemen, the unveiling of Hindi Patrika Arunima.
थैंक यू सर. अब समय है हमारे प्रतिभाशाली सहकर्मियों द्वारा प्रस्तुत सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों का. यह प्रस्तुतियां न केवल हमारी विविधता का प्रतीक हैं, बल्कि हमारे BHEL परिवार की एकता और उत्साह को भी दर्शाती हैं. छोटे छोटे कदमों की ये चाल, छोटे छोटे कदमों की ये चाल, मनमोह ले जैसे बहारों का जाल. मुस्कान से सजी हर उनकी अदा, मुस्कान से सजी हर उनकी अदा, जैसे सितारों ने छेड़ी हो सदा. As a nation and as a country, culture is an important part of our upbringing and who we are today. Being Indians, we have a long and illustrious history of dance and music. And what could be more wonderful than children representing our cherished culture?
Yes, absolutely, Suman. And our ancient scholar Bharat Muni may not have imagined that the rasa and the bhav of his writing would last for millennia when he wrote the Natya Shastra. Our first performance is just a small step towards carrying on this legacy. Please welcome the wards of BHEL employees who have come up with this magnificent opening performance. It's a Bharatnatyam dance performance which will bring smiles to your faces. So audience, brace yourself for a high-octane dose of entertainment.
ಗೆಲ್ಲೋಲೀಲೆ ಮೊಗವೇ ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ಚಂದ್ರ ಚೆಲುವೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಸಾಟಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಧೀಮ್ ತಾನ ಧೀಮ್ ಧೀಮ್ ತಾನ ಶುಭ ಕರೀ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಧ್ಯಾನವೇ ದಿನಚರಿ ನಿಂಗಿದೋ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಶಾರ್ವರಿ ಸಂಜೆ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಸಂಗೀತ ಧೀಮ್ ತಾನ ಧೀಮ್ ಧೀಮ್ ತಾನ చతులతో ప్రాణమే నాట్యం చేసే గతులతో నామశతం మూల నతులతో నా పైన నీ చూపు ఆపేలా मन में साहस और इन हाथों में है शक्ति चेष्टा है वो जो एक पल भी नहीं थकती हम है वो जो मंजिलों से आगे जाते हैं हम है वो जो सपने सच करके दिखाते हैं जग सवारे जग निखारे स्वर्ग धरती पर उतारे हम जिधर देखें उधर एक जोत जल जाए जोश ऐसा जोश के लो हाथ पिघल जाए होश ऐसा होश के लो हाँ नए साँचों में ढल जाए जोश है 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 जोश है
क्या बात है, बहुत सुंदर प्रस्तुति हमारे बच्चों द्वारा। जोरदार तालियां बजती रहें। इस सुंदर एवं मनमोहक प्रस्तुति के लिए जोरदार तालियां बजती रहें। सचमुच इन बच्चों ने अपनी अथक मेहनत से तैयार इस नृत्य से सबका मन मोह लिया। अब आगे बढ़ते हैं। संगीत की धुन में बसा है संसार, संगीत की धुन में बसा है संसार, हर सुर में छिपा एक नया विचार। गीतों की गूंज से सजता ये जीवन, गीतों की गूंज से सजता ये जीवन, हर शब्द में बसा एक गहरा स्पंदन। Now, to minimize the distance between us all and the music, our next presentation is a song by Anupam Chatterjee, Sukanya Barua, Himanshu Dikshit, and Anubha Krishnani. I request the team for the performance, please.
कहीं कोई रोक नहीं ले तुझको पुकार के। ओ राही 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 ओ राही। रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के।
रुक जाना नहीं तो कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के। ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही
ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही
ओ राही ओ राही। सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया।
किसी कोई काटो ना है हम तो होश में,
हम तो होश में,
कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में, उड़ते जोश में। पाँव है
या छूटा गाँव है,
अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। ओ हो ओ हो ओ चल पड़े हैं हम सफर, अजनबी तो हर डगर।
लगता हमको मगर कुछ कर देंगे हम मगर। ख्वाब में जो दिखा पर था छिपा बस जाएगा वो नगर।
रे 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 बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। ओ हो
वाह, what a performance! Huge round of applause. सच में भाव, लय और ताल के इस अद्भुत संगम ने हमें संगीत के सागर में सराबोर कर दिया।
What a beautiful message the first song had. कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के। जी हाँ, सोना जब तक आग में नहीं जलता वो सोना नहीं बनता। Thank you for the energetic and lively performance from our singers and a melodious flute rendition from Master Vivan Verma, son of Sri Gaurav Verma, Manager Industry Sector. Thank you, Vivan, and thank you, our singers. And after this lively performance, it truly seems as if बादल पे हमारे पाँव हैं. Isn't it, Suman? कुछ बादल भी हैं और इतनी सुंदर performances भी हैं.
Absolutely, Vaishali. These performances have filled the atmosphere with so much vibrance that I cannot wait for the next one.
Don't worry, we'll not keep you wait any longer because our next performance is something that our audience is not going to easily forget. So get ready to experience a unique fusion of two powerful dance forms that beautifully represent the soul of India. Yes, it's the classical elegance of Bharatnatyam with its intricate footwork, graceful gestures, and a deep cultural significance intertwined with the energy and excitement of Bollywood songs. So let's welcome Priyanka Singhal and Bhavna Sharma with a huge round of applause as they bring this beautiful mix to life.
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
మగసని ధని సగమా మగసని ధని సగ మగసని ధని సగమ గ మ గ సని ద మగ మదని సని ద మగ మదని సా ని ధ ని ధని స ధని స ధని స ధని స మదని 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 ధని స ధని స ధని స మదని 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 స మదని స మదని స మదని స సని దమ సని దమ సని దమ సని దమ మమ గగ స సని ని స సని ని దద ని ని స సని ని దద మమ గగ స సని ని దద ని స స స ని ద స స స మ ద స స मेरे ढोले सुन मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोले मेरे ढोले
What a beautiful and energetic performance that was. बहारों की महफिल सुहानी रहेगी, बहारों की महफिल सुहानी रहेगी, लब पर खुशियों की कहानी रहेगी, चमकते रहेंगे खुशियों से ये सितारे, अगर आपकी तालियों की मेहरबानी रहेगी. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our performers. And we now move on to the next segment.
Among your round of applause, I now
Honorable Minister for Heavy Industries and Steel, respected Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy ji, CMD BHEL, Shri Sadashiv Murthy ji, our Joint Secretary Vijay Mittal ji, directors on the board of BHEL, our independent directors, our former CMD Mr. Nalil Singhal ji, our former director Renuka Gera ji, jury members for the BHEL Excellence Awards, award winners, invited guests and friends. It is indeed a privilege to be present before you on the BHEL Day celebrations, especially on this day when we are giving Excellence Awards. And the new year is just not very old yet. So on this occasion of the new year, on the BHEL Day, as is the tradition, we always look back as to what we have achieved, what more can we do, how can we serve our country better. So BHEL has been performing very well in the last 1 year. Our order book has reached a historic high. In the year 23-24, we have orders of 78,000 crores. And if I'm right, our order book might be crossing 1 lakh. 1,60,000 crores of order book. So this is one of the historic highs. And this tells us that BHEL management has been performing exceedingly well over the years. That organization that is 60 years old, it is surviving, is doing well as an order book of 1,70,000 crores. If you look at the history of companies globally and look at the companies which were existing earlier, which had a big name, they were working across continents. And when you look at them today, you will find that they are struggling or they have closed down because things don't remain the same. Technology changes, management changes, business changes, new competitors come in, new products come in. So surviving 60 years is a huge achievement. My applause to all the people who have made this possible. So what are the key things that we should look at today? When we look at our Prime Minister, what he has said on various occasions, what are the things that we can learn from him? What is the message for BHEL from the Prime Minister? And I say this especially because New Year resolutions, if you look at the internet, if you look at Twitter, there are jokes that after 1 week people have forgotten what they resolved. People say don't go to the gym in the first week of January because there will be overcrowding, because everyone has promised to become fitter. But after 10 days, you will find that gyms are still again empty. So what are the resolves that we can always keep in our minds, which we will never forget? I think one of the best things is the BHEL song. If we understand it really, what it really means, it says that जोश ऐसा कि लोहा पिघल जाए. That kind of commitment, dedication. This is what I learned from it. And if you look at what can we learn from the Prime Minister's speeches, he has said that reform, perform and transform. These are the three things that are the messages that are for government servants, for public sector undertakings, the three things that we can do. And this cannot happen until all our 29,000 employees do it. Long ago, people used to think that you appoint a managing director, you appoint board of directors, senior management, companies will transform. That was around 100 years ago. Then people appointed the finest people as managing directors, but companies did not transform. So the human resource people began looking, what is the fault? I am appointing the best people, best leaders, best managers. Results are not coming. So they understood that leadership is not the title of a person. It is a behavior which everyone must inculcate. Until that leadership is not something which is given to you by others. Leadership is something we give to ourselves, wherever we are living, in whichever position we are, whichever job we are doing. Somebody went to NASA and he went to the washroom. So we found a janitor there. He said, what do you do? He said, I send men to the moon. He didn't say that I am a janitor over here. That was the feeling, that he is contributing towards mankind's efforts to make world a better place, to go to the next destination. So 29,000 employees. My message to the entire team which is present here, probably the senior most people in BHEL are present here, that we will succeed only if all our employees are fully engaged. When I mean fully engaged, is that if when I look at myself, when do I feel happiest? In the days in the office and when I do nothing, and I go home without doing anything, am I happy? Or I am happiest when I have really worked hard. I began the day by hard work and I worked much beyond the office hours, went home tired, but when I lay down on the bed, I was satisfied. So in every organization, there are some people who are not mature yet. They think that if I shirk the work, if I don't do the work, somebody else will do it. I am a clever man. I do less, I take the full salary. But such a person is actually a loser from within, because he is losing out on happiness. They are losing out on satisfaction. They are losing out on contribution. So why do people not perform? Why do people become like that? Because again, Prime Minister's word, that sabka saath, sabka vikas, sabka vishwas, sabka prayas. So what happens is that a top management is fully engaged, working day and night, but they have not won the vishwas of the last person. We have not won the prayas of the last person. So on this occasion, I exhort all the senior people present here that we must not only work hard, we must give opportunity to our subordinates to deliver their best, understand that they need recognition, and I congratulate CMD BHEL that he organized a great award ceremony. And my really appreciation further is that it was not like only a technical awards. It was award for innovation, award for research, award for customer service. But the best part was that award for social service also. So BHEL is not just an engineering organization, it works for society. So again, we go back to what happened on Twitter some months ago. Some senior person in the industry said that young people must work 70 hours a day. Do you recall? So there was a lot of criticism that this fellow, he wants to become rich, he pays us less, wants us to work more, make private people become very rich. So there was a counter attack. No, work-life balance is most important. Don't need to work very hard. But luckily in government and BHEL, when we work hard, when we work 70 hours, we are giving award to ourselves. We are giving award to our countrymen. We are not making any individual rich. We are making the country rich. This is a huge privilege. Not everyone gets it. Working in government, we get less salary, but very high satisfaction which cannot be purchased by anybody. Some days ago, there was a reunion of my class fellows. I passed out in 1989 from IIT Delhi. So I was like, my class fellows have become big guys. Some of them are big honchos in US. Some of them are CEOs in India. And when I compare my salary with theirs, it might be difference of 100 times maybe. So I was wondering whether I should go or not. They will say, this stupid fellow, what he has done with himself. He could have done so many other big things. But when I went amongst them, you will be surprised to know that I was quite an attraction. They wanted to know government mein kaise kaam hota hai, how are we doing things, how are we taking India forward. So then I realized that our salaries are less, but our recognition even among the rich people is much higher than what we understand. So on this occasion, I just want to BHEL does not need any motivation. You guys are fabulous performers anyway. I have known you for last 10 years. When I was in the UP Power Corporation, I used to interact with BHEL officials, and I can tell you that the response time to problems was one of the best. If you have worked in a power generation company, as soon as there is a problem, there is no electricity in half the state because a 500 megawatt unit is down. You start getting phone calls from Chief Minister's office. You start getting phone calls from the policemen. You start getting phone calls from the reporters, journalists. क्या हो गया? बिजली क्यों नहीं आ रही है? At such a moment, you are at your wit's end, and you phone BHEL and they say our engineers are already on the way. We are going to solve the problem in 24 hours time. So BHEL has been a strong performer. BHEL does not need any lectures on motivations, public service from anyone. We just have to re-examine ourselves, rededicate ourselves, and lastly, we have to learn lessons from many companies in the world that things are changing. The way electricity is produced, the way electricity is used, the way electricity is transported, that is changing. We are masters of producing electricity from steam. But today electricity is being produced by winds, by oceans, by nuclear energy, by solar energy, things that don't involve moving parts. And things will change even faster because there is a commitment to climate change. This earth we cannot leave. We have to stay on this planet for many million years, I think. So BHEL is the leader in electricity production, generation, transmission. CMD sir's team is already working on innovation, on changing our business mix. So that should remain a priority for all of us, and especially people who have won research innovation awards. They need to be motivated even further because that is the way things will improve. And finally, we must remember that people who are sitting here, including myself, we are here because our colleagues are working in rain, wind, heat, and sun in the sites. That is where the power plant is being erected. That is where the customer is. They work under difficult circumstances. They work away from their families. Their salaries are not very high, but their commitment is very high. When you go to a site, you will find people are welcoming, people are cheerful, people are taking risks, people die over there also. So we must, on this occasion, remember them and celebrate their hard work also. So with these words, the last thing I want to say is the timely completion of projects. That if a project gets delayed by 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, hundreds and thousands of people are without electricity. Imagine if light comes to our house after 1 year, how agitated we will be. If a power plant is delayed by 1 year, somebody's industrial unit, somebody's house, somebody's hospital is without electricity or is under electricity shortage. So time overrun must be our key criteria for performance, and maybe next year when awards are given, maybe we can also award people for timely completion of projects. With these words, I compliment the management of BHEL for organizing this wonderful event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'm very thankful to our Honorable Secretary for his inspiring words. Definitely performance, transformation, recalibration are the right words and the need of the hour today. Sir, we assure you that BHEL has performed well in the past and we look forward to a positive future ahead as well.
शीश चढ़े तो दीजियो सतगुरु का नामोल, शीश चढ़े तो दीजियो सतगुरु का नामोल, कम है कीमत जानियो गुरु हैं बड़े अमोल. With these beautiful lines, we would like to take the privilege of inviting our chief guest on stage, the one whom we all want to listen to, who has held many important positions in his life, a dutiful, hard-working personality who is present amongst us today. Welcome with a huge round of applause, Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy ji, Honorable Union Minister of Heavy Industries and Steel. We request you to address us on the occasion of BHEL Day celebrations and Excel Award, sir.
Secretary, Ministry of Heavy Industries, Shri Kumaran Rizvi, CMD BHEL, Shri Sadashiv Murthy, Ministry officials, directors on the board of BHEL, former CMDs and directors of BHEL, jury members of BHEL Excel Awards, BHEL Excel Award winners and their family members, invited guests and friends. I wish you all a very happy BHEL Day and New Year. I hope the coming year brings you happiness, prosperity, and good health in abundance. I am delighted to be here at BHEL Noida campus, sharing this special occasion with all of you. Earlier, I had the opportunity to visit your township on 21st June last year on the occasion of International Yoga Day. Your program was exceptionally well organized, and I was particularly impressed by the meticulous planning and the vibrant energy and enthusiasm. A few months back, I also got a chance to visit your Bangalore unit. I had the opportunity to meet with the management and staff there as well. Based on my experience, I can say with certainty that the sense of belongingness among the BHEL employees is truly exceptional. Another remarkable aspect of BHEL is its resilience, its ability to bounce back from difficult situations. Since its inception, BHEL has faced numerous challenges, but with fortitude and courage, you have overcome every obstacle and touched new heights of success. By virtue of this capability, BHEL has been making a significant contribution to nation building and the Indian economy since its inception. Besides its traditional power sector, it has been a key supplier of equipment and weapons to the Indian Defence Forces. BHEL has also played a crucial role in ISRO's successful Chandrayaan 3 mission. Through commitment and dedication, BHEL is not only working towards making India self-reliant in the energy and infrastructure sectors, but is also making significant contributions toward making India Atmanirbhar in the defense and aerospace sectors. Employees are the most valuable assets of any organizations, and their contributions are key to its success. The accomplishments of BHEL are a testament to the hard work and dedication of its workforce. It gives me immense pleasure that I got the opportunity to facilitate those employees who demonstrated excellence in their work. I commend BHEL for its efforts to inspire and motivate its employees. I congratulate all the Excel Award winners and their families and wish them continued success and a prosperous future. I am confident that this initiative by BHEL will further motivate and encourage employees and pave the way for the company's growth. We must uphold this legacy of dedication to national service. I firmly believe that with your hard work and dedication, we will overcome all challenges and pave the way for the progress of the company and the nation. The Ministry of Heavy Industries is fully committed to supporting your efforts. Whenever BHEL requires any assistance, the Ministry of Heavy Industries will always be there to help. I once again congratulate all of you on the occasion of BHEL Day, Excel Awards, and the New Year 2025. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir. We express our gratitude to the Honorable Union Minister of Heavy Industries for this inspiring and rousing address. Sir, under your guidance, BHEL will touch new heights and set new records. Such is our hope, prayer, and belief.
किसी भी सफल आयोजन के पीछे सबका सहयोग, कड़ी मेहनत एवं वरिष्ठ अधिकारियों का मार्गदर्शन होता है और कार्यक्रम में आभार प्रकट करने का जो दायित्व होता है वह निश्चित रूप से बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। हमारे निदेशक महोदय मानव संसाधन श्री कृष्ण कुमार ठाकुर जी जिन्होंने हमें इस उत्सव के आयोजन में कुशल नेतृत्व किया और मार्गदर्शन किया। I now request Director HR for vote of thanks.
Honorable Minister of Heavy Industries and Steel, Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy ji, Secretary, Ministry of Heavy Industries, Shri Kamran Rijvi ji, Joint Secretary, Heavy Industry, Shri Vijay Mittal ji, CMD BHEL, Shri Sadashiv Murthy ji, my fellow directors on the board, CVO, ex-CMDs, ex-directors of BHEL, Ministry officials, jury members of BHEL Excel Awards, BHEL Excel Awards winners, their family members, representatives of press and media, unions and associations, respected distinguished guests, colleagues, friends and friends. My best wishes to all of you on Whale Day and for the new year 2025. It's my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on this occasion of BHEL Day and Excel Award ceremony. It's important for any organization to keep its employees and their family members informed from time to time about its achievements, strategic visions, future plans, and expected efforts. Whale Day is organized every year with the same objective: to commemorate our efforts and achievements, to express our gratitude to our employees and their families, and remind them of the important role they play for the future of our company. Today, on the occasion of BHEL Day, we have honored our exceptional colleagues who have demonstrated outstanding contributions across various domains. I heartily congratulate all the winners and their family members. We are deeply honored by the gracious presence of our chief guest, Honorable Minister of Heavy Industry and Steel, Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy ji, whose inspiring presence has infused new energy in all of us and encouraged our Excel Award winners by presenting the award. Sir, I am confident that your inspirational message will give us a new direction. I express my sincere gratitude to you, sir, for giving BHEL your valuable time and support, sir. I extend our sincere gratitude to Sri Kamran Rijvi ji, Secretary, Ministry of Heavy Industries, for his continuous support and guidance to BHEL. Your presence today, sir, has added special significance to this ceremony, sir. I would also like to extend our gratitude to Sri Vijay Mittal, sir, Joint Secretary MHI, for his invaluable contributions and mentorship. I would like to acknowledge the visionary leadership of our CMD, Sri K. Sadashiv Murthy ji, who deserves special thanks for continuous guiding us in making this event a grand success through his guidance and support. I thank CBO, all the directors of the BHEL, ex-CMD Nalin Singhal sir, ex-directors, ex-EDs, senior executives present here, press and media representatives. Due to their presence, today's event became really successful. A special word of thanks to all the BHEL employees and their children who presented cultural programs today, adding color and vibrancy to our celebrations. My sincere gratitude to the entire organizing team who has immensely contributed for seamless execution of today's event. Really this year, under guidance of CMD sir, we have made a rainbow team, not only led by the corporate admin, it was a really multi-department team who has organized this event. So I can express that our experiment is really successful. You have proved by your effort. This new year, let us resolve to carry forward the spirit of excellence that BHEL stands for and work hand in hand towards achieving the goal of scaling new heights. Once again, thank you all and the heartiest wishes for BHEL Day and the New Year. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words of wisdom.
चारों तरफ हो खुशियों की लहर, चारों तरफ हो खुशियों की लहर, हर तरफ चलता गुणगान रहे, बरसे असीम अनुकंपा ईश्वर की, आपके होठों पर सदा मुस्कान रहे.
We have now reached at the final stage of this program, where delicious delicacies are waiting for all of us. We hope you enjoyed this event as much as we enjoyed hosting for all of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a good event never ends. It takes only a pause and keeps us awaiting for the next. As they say, every day holds the possibility of a miracle, so keep hoping for the best and keep shining. And thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. On that note, I, Vaishali Vadhva Chaudhary,
And I, Suman Akwal,
are signing off. Thank you and goodbye. And now we would like everyone to request to please stand at their places for the national anthem. After the anthem, please continue to be seated at your places until the chief guest leaves the premises. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे